We have added the top 6 juice cleanses that are supports for weight loss. Let's explore them. Number 1. Most popular. Skinny Cleanse by Raw Generation 7-Day Juice Cleanse. If you want to seriously detoxify your system and shed some pounds, while doing so, this intensive 7-day raw juice cleanse can help jumpstart your weight loss goals. Although Raw Generation offers 3-, 5-, and 7-day cleanse options, we think their 7-day option is the most effective for those seeking a major detox. Even though a 7-day cleanse sounds intimidating, you'll still get 24 grams of protein, plus lots of essential vitamins and minerals between all 6 juices sipped over the course of one day. Number 2. The Raw Generation 7-Day Skinny Cleanse. You can never really go wrong with Raw Generation, and it's one of the most recognizable and top-selling juice cleanse brands this year. If you're a true beginner, this may not be the best option for you if you choose the 7-day to cleanse. However, they have an easier 3-day and 5-day option too. While we don't love the term skinny, this one is geared towards helping to jumpstart your weight loss goals. What we do love about them is that they use 100% raw plant-based ingredients. Number 3. The Raw 7-Day High Protein Cleanse. We added Raw Generation to our must-have list for the second time, not only because of the power of the brand, but because they have this amazing new protein pack. If you still want to work out while doing this, it's really one of the top options out there since it's packed with protein. And, let's face it, we could all use a little break from our old nasty protein shakes for a bit, right? These come with 40 grams of plant-based protein and are even loaded with energizing vitamins and minerals. Number 4. 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse by J.J. Smith. One of the healthiest ways to nail a juice cleanse is by making your own smoothies at home. This book offers detailed instructions for shopping, making the smoothies, and properly consuming them. The cleanse is one of the most intense at 10 days long, but because you're using fresh ingredients, you'll get slightly more nutrients. And with this cleanse, the payoff is big, as you should lose 10 to 15 pounds in just 10 days. Number 5. Lemonkind Metabolism Booster 3-Day Hybrid Cleanse. We understand. Nothing but juice for 3 days is hard. Lemonkind makes the process much easier with this 3-day cleanse by including a superfruit snack box that's designed to make the cleanse more effective, not to mention easier. This snack box consists of semi-dehydrated pineapple, apricot, and apple. Snack on them throughout the cleanse, or keep them aside as an emergency if you get too hungry. Each recipe is rich in only the best whole foods, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants to naturally promote healthy weight management. Number 6. 3-Day Juice Cleanse by Cleanse on the Go. I've tried many cleansers and this one is by far the most reasonably priced, and it tastes great. I purchased the 2 days cleanse, but now I just purchased the 3-day X2, and my sister ordered it as well after tasting mine. I'm 5 feet 6 inches and have been battling my weight for a long time. My highest was 262 back in 2015. As I'm sure many of you have gone through plateaus, I have hit one recently and decided to give this a try.
Thanks for watching the video.